So AI is here. Whether you like it or not, it exists, and it's surprisingly not bad for programming. It's already changing the way developers work. Some are using AI as a productivity boost so they can work on more complex tasks, and others, like me, are, and it's only going to become more and more common. Now, what's the most critical task for a programmer? Writing code? Actually, no. Most of your CF time is spent thinking, analyzing complex problems, because programmers are problem solvers, and we don't want to waste time rewriting boring code or chasing tiny bugs that feel like boss fights. That's where AI tools step in. They're like the friend who always has snacks during an all-nighter. I've rounded up the best AI tools to help you code smarter, faster, and maybe even saner. GitHub Copilot is basically that overachieving classmate who always has the answers. Except this one is cool with you copying. It doesn't just auto-complete single lines, it can generate entire functions or workflows using OpenAI's Codex model. Imagine typing half a sentence and your IDE goes, "Relax, I got you." Boom! Whole function written. Cursor is like VS Code's cooler cousin who went abroad and came back with an accent. It blends the familiar VS Code interface with advanced AI features. You get predictive code completion, natural language navigation, and contextual debugging. It even accepts natural language inputs in the terminal. So instead of remembering arcane commands, you can literally type "deploy this thingy" and it figures it out. Tabnine is the AI assistant that feels like it actually respects your privacy. Unlike some tools that want your data, your history, and probably your Netflix password, Tabnine is focused on keeping things private, secure, and compliant. It integrates into your IDE and gives you both code completions and a coding chat assistant. Replit is like the Google Docs of coding. You just open a browser and boom, you're coding and collaborating instantly. But the real MVP here is Ghostwriter, Replit's AI assistant. It's trained on millions of lines of code and gives contextual code suggestions. Whether you're debugging, learning a new language, or just trying to ship your weekend project faster than your motivation disappears, Ghostwriter has your back. Claude is like that one friend who actually reads the documentation instead of winging it. It can act like a pair programmer, analyze entire projects, write documentation, and even plan big development tasks step by step. It integrates with VS Code and can look at your whole project, zooming in from high-level files all the way down to the nitty-gritty details. Now, these are just my top picks. There are plenty more AI tools out there for developers, like Amazon CodeWhisperer, Sourcegraph Cody, Codeium, Polycoder, and even ChatGPT itself. But here's the thing, AI won't replace programmers. It'll just replace the parts of programming we don't like writing repetitive code, debugging silly errors, or staring blankly at the screen wondering why your loop runs 999 times instead of 1,000. So if you're a programmer, try these tools out. Worst case, you save some time. Best case, you finally finish that project you've been working on since 2020.